In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a page on your WordPress website. So when you talk of pages, they are different from categories. Whereas categories are specifications for your articles, pages are distinct from categories in that they serve a specific purpose on your website. For instance, you might have a page for about us, advertisement, or contact, jobs, or even privacy policy and terms and conditions, as you can see here. So if you need maybe to add a policy for your website, you can go ahead and create a whole new page, and then that will be a standalone page on your WordPress website that people can visit and also read the content of that page. So let me show you how you can do it on our WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, please like it and also subscribe to it. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard. And here I am on my home page of my WordPress website. From here, head over to this menu and you can see we have posts here and under post media and then page. So if you click on pages here, you can see we have quite a number of pages on this website. Should you want to add a page, you can just go ahead and click on add page. And here we go. Here is our blank page. Go ahead and give it a title. For my case, I want it to be named editorial. And then you can now proceed and write the content of your article. So you can go ahead and paste the content you want this page to be about. And once you're done, now you can maybe also add the meta description and anything you so wish, like focus keyword. And once you are done, now you can also go ahead and add an image. If you want to accompany your page with an image, you can also add it here. Once you're done, it's time to go ahead and publish the page. And look at that, it has been published. But should you want to make it visible on your home page of your website, then you might want to go ahead and take the link for this article. And here is the link. So I can now copy this link and then go to the home page of my website and add that link whenever I want. So that's how you can create a page or pages on your WordPress website. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.